Okay, so what's the one thing everyone remembers from high school biology? The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, right? That's oversimplifying it quite a lot. It does a lot of things, and honestly, mitochondria are just really weird. To start off, they have two membranes, and they also have their own set of DNA and genes and stuff that just code for their own special proteins and stuff. Mitochondria produces almost all of the energy for your cells in the form of ATP. They make so much of it. If your mitochondria gets damaged, then that's very, very bad for your cell because they're super important. And so the theory as to how mitochondria, and also this is a theory for chloroplasts, for how they came to be, is very interesting as well. It is called the Endosymbiont Theory. So what that is, basically the theory goes that mitochondria and also chloroplast started out as just regular individual bacteria. Now, back when everything was new and spicy and just getting all started, there was not a lot of multicellular organisms because their conditions weren't good for that. And so the theory is that this mitochondria was just swimming around enjoying life when it got engulfed via phagocytosis, which is the process of just engulfing another thing and bringing it in through a cell wall. So the hypothesis is the mitochondria got engulfed by a larger cell and stuck into a lysosome, which is basically just a little pocket that does cellular digestion and stuff. But instead of being digested like normal, the mitochondria was just like, cool, and it stayed there. Instead of being digested, it just co-opted the lysosome membrane as its own, so that's why it has two membranes, and it became symbiotic with the host cell that previously tried to eat it. That's also an explanation as to why they contain their own genes, because originally they were their own organism that had its own entire genome. Then, when the cell that ate it divided, it took the mitochondria with it, and then stuff happened, and eukaryotes evolved, and here we are. So, yeah, remember to take a second today and say thank you to your mitochondria and the primordial cell that tried to eat it.